Have you ever needed to save just the results of your search? Let's learn how by using listing collections. First, I'm going to open up the closed section of my hot sheet. Now, I'm going to select just a few random listings. I'll do so by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the thumbnail. Then, I'm going to come up to our action buttons and click Save. It's going to ask me to name the collection. And once I have, I'll click Save again. Now let's reset and pretend it's the next day. In order to find those listings I just saved, I'll open up the menu. Under the search header, you'll find listing collections. And there is our listing collection we had saved. If you need to make any changes, click on the 3 vertical dots here. Here you can choose to view the details. You can rename the collection or delete it altogether. Clicking on the arrow will bring you to view the listings that are part of the collection. I hope you found this quick tip video helpful. If you did, give this video a like. And check the rest of the Main Listings YouTube channel for even more videos like this one.